Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of May. I just got this in the mail today and I wanted to unbox it with you guys just because Boxycharm is my favorite subscription ever. It is $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size items in here. So I'm going to link it down below if you guys haven't checked it out. I don't believe there's a waiting list right now, so you are able to get this box. So let's open it together. I actually haven't seen any sneak peeks for this month, so let's see what's in here. And why I like Boxycharm so much is because you're paying $21, but the value of the box is way over that amount. So let's see what's in May's box. So the first thing I see is a card, and this is called Boxy Bash. So I guess that's the theme of the month. And then everything on the back, it shows what's in here and how much it is. Ooh, the first thing I'm gonna grab is a gloss. So this is a Boxycharm matte lip gloss. How can a gloss be matte? Wonder. So this is a matte liquid lip gloss, and it says it's specially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. So I feel like this isn't a gloss. It says it's a gloss, but if it dries matte, I'm gonna guess that's a matte lipstick. So this is the color that I got, and this is called number 17 Sweetheart. So I'll do a swatch of it. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like candy. So let's see what this looks like. It looks like a really pretty pinky coral. So that right there is number 17 Sweetheart, and this goes for $10. The next thing I see is a primer from Cover FX. I love Cover FX primers. This is the blurring primer, which I actually have never tried. I have the illuminating one and I love it, but this one goes for $38, and it says it's a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. So this is $38, which already is way over the box price, and this is what it looks like. I cannot wait to use this because I haven't tried this one, and it is a full-size product. So very happy to get that. We have a brush in here. So this is from Aesthetica, and this is number P12, it says. What are you? This goes for $27. So it says it has synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control. The P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. So let's see how this feels. I love getting brushes in my Boxycharm. That's how I've gotten most of my brushes, to be honest. Ooh, this one feels very nice. I don't know if I think I would use this to like sweep away like my Laura Mercier translucent powder. It feels really nice, and it has like a different kind of shape to it. But definitely I think like sweeping away the excess powder, this is gonna be really nice. So I got that one, and again, $27. Okay, I have 2 more things in here. It looks like I have some more brushes, but let's go with this first. This is from Pretty Vulgar, and this is the Ink Gel Eyeliner. I love the packaging of this. This is so cute. It has like a feather on it. Really, really pretty packaging. Pretty Vulgar always has pretty packaging. So it's a gel eyeliner, quick drying application, enriched with vitamin C to condition the lids. Interesting. This goes for $24. I can't wait to use this. I have a harder time applying gel eyeliners that are in like pots, but I am going to give this a try. It looks like it's a decent size too. And this is just in black. So this is the packaging on it, and it looks like it came with some brushes, or maybe not. Maybe you can use these for whatever. These again are from Aesthetica. Okay. Oh, there's something else in here. I thought this was it. I got some more brushes from Aesthetica. So this is a 3-piece set. Now, let's see. It's a 3-piece eye trio. It goes for $45. Whoa. This is what the brushes look like. I'm not going to take them out because I honestly don't really need these type of brushes. It's crazy how expensive these are, but I really don't need like a spoolie and an angled brush or an eyeliner brush. So I'm probably going to give this away in the future because I don't personally need it, but it's nice that it comes in a set. Okay, I have one more thing. It was actually like hidden underneath, so I'm very happy with this. What is it? So the last thing I have in here is from Pure, and this is a Sculpting Palette, and it goes for $30. This is what it looks like. It says a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, this looks nice. Wow. it looks a little bit dark for me. So this is what it looks like. So we have 2 highlighter shades on the left and then 2 contour shades on the right. This looks like a very dark one for me personally. So I'm wondering if this palette only comes in 1 shade because these contour colors are gonna be way too dark for me personally. I'm probably gonna end up giving this away to someone as well. It does look really nice. Those highlighter shades look really pretty, but I know the contour shades are gonna be too dark for my skin tone. So it looks pretty, but I will be putting this in a giveaway. Okay, so that was everything that was in my Boxycharm for the month of May. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link Boxycharm down below in the description box, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!